Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Fit Nation Hub, where we make fitness accessible no matter where you are. Today, I'm sharing the best cardio workouts you can do in small spaces. So, if you're in an apartment, dorm, or just don't have a lot of room to move around, this is perfect for you. Let's get that heart rate up without needing a big space or fancy equipment. Ready? Let's jump in. First, let's talk about why cardio is essential. It boosts your heart health, burns calories, and improves stamina. The best part? You don't need a gym or large area to get an effective cardio session. Today, we're combining high-intensity interval training, HIIT, with low-impact options to cater to everyone. 1. Warm-up. 2. Cardio intervals. 3. Cool down. Guide the audience through a dynamic warm-up to prepare their body for exercise. 1. March in place. 2. Arm circles with high knees. 3. Side step with arm swings. 4. Light jogging in place. 5. Standing hamstring stretch. Warming up helps prevent injuries and gets your body ready for movement. Now that we're warmed up, let's dive into our workout. We'll do 40 seconds of work followed by 20 seconds of rest for each exercise. Grab some water, and let's get started. First, high-energy basics, 10 minutes, like 1. Jumping jacks, or low-impact side steps. 2. High knees, or marching in place. 3. Squat jumps, or bodyweight squats. 4. Step-back lunge with punches. Great job! Shake it out, grab some water, and let's move towards the next round. Round 2, Strength plus Cardio, 10 minutes. 1. Burpees, or step-back burpees. 2. Side lunges with a hop, or no hop. 3. Plank jacks, or stepping out 1 foot at a time. 4. Mountain climbers, or slow mountain climbers. 5. Standing oblique crunches. You're crushing it. One more round to go. Round 3, Fun and Amp, engaging moves, 10 minutes. 1. Skater hops, or step touch skaters. 2. Invisible jump rope. 3. Power knees, switch sides halfway. 4. Standing twist jumps, or torso twists. 5. Fast punches in a squat hold. Awesome work! You've officially crushed the workout. Let's cool down and stretch it out. Cooling down helps your muscles recover and reduces soreness. Let's finish strong. 1. Forward fold stretch. 2. Standing quad stretch, right and left. 3. Seated butterfly stretch. 4. Cat-cow stretch, on hands and knees. 5. Child's pose. That's it, everyone. Thank you for working out with me today. Small spaces don't have to limit your fitness goals, and you proved that today. If you enjoyed this workout, hit that like button, subscribe to Fit Nation Hub, and comment below with your favorite move. See you next time for another fun and effective workout. Stay active and take care.